The view of San Pablo City.
What's
From
that
Pandan
really
Lake.
big red house?
What red house?
That red one.
Red house, house of the horses.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Oh, horses.
big horses.
San Pablo City. From Pandan Lake. View from Pandan Lake, or by the hill by Pandan Lake. And Pandan's right here. On the other side is the lake Miambo. Nice place.
Ay baka pag umuwi sila dito, baka pag